everyone, welcome back to Aspararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to log out from Google account on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who link so much Google account to your cell phone, and if you want to log out from one or certain Google account, don't need to be worried because you can do that easily. And so yeah, how to log out from Google account is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to account and backup menu, and then now you can go to manage account, and then now you can click on the account that you want to log out, and then now you can click remove account, and those account will remove it from your phone and automatically log out. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys.